Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be reveal to you how to make money on YouTube by only repost a video. You don't even have to make any video at all, but only by repost video you can make a lot of money. And I also going to share with you the proof that how this particular channel that doing the exact same thing that I'm about to reveal to you in this video and generating well over 9 billion views. 9 billion with the B, guys. This is insane amount of views. Alright, so before we start, if you just came across to the video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you can get some value throughout this video. Alright, so let's jump straight into our content. So I'm going to show you non-copyrighted music. Just type in non-copyrighted music on YouTube search bar. You can see a lot of search terms that related to non-copyrighted music. This means literally that there are so many people wanted to have non-copyrighted music, because as you can tell, YouTube is very strict, because they don't want they're going to demonetize, or they're going to take down your videos if you are using copyrighted music. So let's search for this particular search term over here, and then you're going to see bunch more option videos or channel that are related to this one. All right, so let's take a look at this one over here. So this channel has been using the exact same method that I'm sharing with you here, and then take a look at the subscribers. It has 29, almost 30 million subscribers, guys. So this is insane by only re-uploading non-copyrighted music. So let's take a look at the channel. So this channel has been generating 9 billion views. Can you imagine how much money that this channel can potentially make? So let's take a look at the video, one of the content over here. So I'm going to play one of the content here. So this is actually the type of content that this channel upload. See? So this channel literally just uploading music, non-copyrighted music, and then just re-upload, attach it with the clips, the interesting clip, and then they can generate a lot of views, right? So let's see more of this type of channel. Let's take a look at this video over here. And take a look at this one. This channel can even be monetized, but this was 2017. So if I'm not mistaken, YouTube doesn't allow this type of channel to be monetized anymore. But you don't have to worry, because I also going to reveal to you how you can make money with this type of channel by not relying on the YouTube ads revenue. Okay, and you can actually make even more money. This is another one. Take a look at the picture over here. This channel, this guy literally just paste the still image and then play the music on the background. So this is the easiest way on how to make money re-uploading videos on YouTube. And as a matter of fact, you don't even have to create your own video. You just get some people's copyrighted music, which I also going to share with you just a second, and then re-upload it back on YouTube and start to make money. And then I'm going to share with you why is that this type of channel getting so much views. Okay, so just head over to vidIQ. We want to analyze this particular keyword over here. Click enter. For your information, vidIQ is a search keyword tools for YouTube, and then you can take a look at the search term over here. This is a searching per month. Search volume is the average number of times people search for this exact keyword on YouTube each month. So every single month, almost 2 million people are searching for this type of, for this particular search term over here. So that is the potential views that you can get, right? So many people are looking for this one. For example, like those people who are vlogging, you know, they need non-copyrighted music to make sure that their channel not being demonetized by YouTube. All right, so now I'm going to share with you how you can get all this type of music. All right, so guys, obviously this is the place, which is YouTube itself. All right, so if you go to this channel over here, which is this one, just click on the channel, and then you can see a lot of non-copyrighted music. So you can literally download all this video download all this mp3 and then re-upload it back on your YouTube channel. So how to do that is actually you can go to YouTube mp3 downloader. So take a look at this one over here, and what you can do next is simply just copy the URL for any videos that you are interested in, just paste it here and then click mp3 and then convert, then you are good to go. Just click download and then it's going to download for you. All right, so my suggestion is you don't want to literally download the videos, but what you can do instead, just upload the audio file first, and then we're going to merge it with still images or a clip that related to that particular sound in software. All right, so you can actually use the software called openshot.org. Just head off to openshot.org. So openshot.org is actually a free editing software, and then you can download literally for free, and then you can image your sounds and your still image or clips in this particular software. And then I'm going to share with you how to get the clips or still images. So this is a pixel, for example, like if you want to nature, right? For example, you want to find a clip of nature, you can go here and then you can simply download all these professional nature images and then re-upload it, merge it with your sounds. Okay, and also you can go to unsplash.com. This is also a very good site for you to get whatever image that you are interested in. Okay, so for example, this is on fashion, this is for street photography. Just simply type in whatever niche that you are in. Okay, so as simple as that. So go to YouTube, download any clip or any audio that you're interested in, and merge it with OpenShot. Get the picture on Unsplash or pixel.com. all right, so now I'm going to share with you how you can make money with this type of channel. As you can tell, I told you before, you can't get monetized with this type of channel anymore. All right, so but if you started a long time ago, it can be monetized, but nowadays YouTube is very strict. This type of channel can't be monetized anymore. So what you can do instead is you can promote affiliate product, right, that related to music. So head off to Digistore. Digistore is actually a marketplace, one of the biggest marketplace in the world, and then you can choose any product that related to your niche and then promote the product and make money with it. For example, I type in music and click search. So as you can see, this is all the affiliate product that related to music that you can promote. For example, this one, royalty free dramatic music set with commercial use license. All right, so you're going to get 50% of commission. So the price is $30, and then 50% commission, you're going to get approximately like 10 something. All right, so there's so many royalty free. For example, this one, music piano, you can also promote this one. So you can choose whatever product that you are interested in. The registration is 100% free, and this is actually how you can make even more money with this type of channel. Because for your information, this type of channel, let's say if you can be monetized, YouTube is not going to pay you a lot of money, because not so many people are interested, not so many advertisers interested to advertise on this type of channel, because it's just a very short video and it's very, very simple video. So this is actually how you can make even more money actually by promoting affiliate product. Okay, so what you can do next is just simply grab your affiliate by clicking the promote now, and then you can put your affiliate link under the description somewhere over here. Okay, so this is actually the exact same method that this channel are doing right now. Okay, so whenever people click on that link and purchase all this product, you're going to get paid like 22, depends on the product and the percentage of the commission. Okay, so guys, that is actually how you can make money with YouTube only by repost a video. So I hope you got some value throughout this video, and if you want to learn more how to make money and blow up your channel on YouTube, I highly recommend you to click the first link. I have a recommended product for that. click the first link in my description, and you can start to blow up your channel, right? So I hope you get some value throughout my sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up as well. All right, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.